Hi everyone, I'm still on vacation in Tennessee and we're now in Nashville. So we've gone from Memphis to Pigeon Forge over to Nashville now. So I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff that I've picked up along the way. We did go to the Civil Rights Museum and we did go to Graceland that I did show you guys, but apparently I missed showing you guys our magnets that we got from there. And then we love collecting smash pennies. So this is from the Bass Pro Shop, these coins and these pennies, because their Bass Pro Shop is really cool. You can actually stay in a hotel there and it looks like this pyramid right here, which I thought was really cool, but we did not stay there. It was a little pricey. It was like over $300 for one night. So it's kind of cool though, because you get to stay like inside of the store. And then from the Civil Rights Museum, I did get a magnet. Like I said, we collect magnets everywhere we go. And I got a pencil. Now the pencils were really cool because each color had a different quote from Martin Luther King, which I thought was really, really nice. So as you guys know, Sunny Boy collects pigs, and at one of the gas stations, we found this little pig. So we got that one. And then I went to Dollar General and I found some of Dolly's stuff. So this was the only one that they had. And I think it was $2 for that one. And then I also got her measuring cup that I thought was really pretty. Hopefully these don't break on our way home. I'm praying, crossing my fingers. We also went to the Jack Daniel's distillery, which was really cool. And we did the tour. So after we left the tour, we went over to the hardware store. And when we were in there, the girl noticed that we had the wristbands from the tour. So she gave Sunny Boy and I each a shot glass for taking the tour. So that was really fun. I didn't even know that they did that. And then back to our Dollar General. My mom found this magnet, so we got that one. And these were so cute. They're only $1, and they are these little mini craft clips, they call it. And there's 18. I honestly should have got 2 bags of these because they're so cute. And then I did find some Halloween stickers. These glow in the dark, so I thought those were really cute. I got 2 sets of these. These are like an epoxy sticker. I loved this balloon right there. Thought that was really nice. And then here's another set of those glow in the dark ones. And I loved the Hocus Pocus in this little bag. And then this one right here too. Then I found another pack of those puffy stickers. So the first one I had found was at Pop Shelf, and then this one was at Dollar General. So that was really cool. I didn't realize that they had the same products. Oh, I loved these. Look at these. Like this one has like angel wings. Those were only $1 from Dollar General. And then my mom found a Disney Sudoku book, so she got that one. Then Sunny Boy found more glitter markers, so he got those. And, oh, look, I found, I guess, some more of those. I didn't realize how many of those I got. So I got some of those. Oh, yeah, also from Dollar General up at the register, they had these. We bought, I think, like 6 different ones. So good. We have one left, as you can see. I love those. And then now going over to, what is it, Ollie's Bargain. This was $1.50 for this villains coloring book. I love this one. There was like a $10 sticker book that was like super fat like this, and it was just pure stickers for $10. I was so tempted to buy it. I even picked it up like 3 times, and my mom was like, just buy it, put it in your carry-on backpack, but I ended up leaving it. I really wanted it though. I don't know. I think there's another store out here in Nashville, so we might go there too. And then Sunny Boy wanted this one just because he loves Bruno. He even named my mom's car after Bruno. So he basically wanted just a sticker. So I might just leave the rest of the book here and just take the stickers for him. So that way it's a little bit less weight in our bag. And a lot of the stuff I'm going to be taking apart, so that way it's less weight. Like these paints down here, like I don't need to take these back home, but I did want the coloring sheet. So these were 99 cents. So I grabbed a Mickey one for myself, and then I grabbed the mini one. So again, once I take this all out of the packaging, it'll weigh a lot less. So I'm hoping tomorrow when we get to the airport, we won't be too overweight. And then let's see, this was $7, and I fell in love with this book. It is just like so my vibe. Like, look at these vintage stickers in here. So I don't know what is this. Like, I don't know what's in between here, but I just really wanted the stickers. Oh, look, there's some like coloring in here. So it just looks like a variety book, but yeah, I just needed the stickers. Oh, look, there's like, what is this? This makes like a little envelope here that you can cut and fold. So yeah, I just really, really wanted the stickers. Oh, and there's some puzzles in here. So yeah, like a little variety book of like vintage Christmas. And then, see, I literally just bought this today because I could not remember. On the way driving to Nashville, we did stop at an Ollie's, and I couldn't remember if I had bought this book or not, and I did. I knew it, but I was scared that I didn't, and I didn't want to miss out on it, so that's okay. I'll give the other one to my mom. So I got 2 of those. There should be another one somewhere around here. And then, like, this one was 99 cents, and it's a Valentine's Day little activity book. So some of the other stuff that I got came with, like, crayons and markers. I left it at the previous hotel, so I'm going to do the same thing with these and just take the coloring book. Like, once you take everything out of the packaging, it's, like, really does make a difference in the weight. Oh, look, see, and then here was for my bookies. And I don't remember if I bought one of these today, too, because I kind of, like, I started panic buying, and because I didn't record what I had already bought, I couldn't remember. But if you've never been to a Buc-ee's, you need to see if there's one near you or on a road trip that you're taking, and definitely go. I'm obsessed with it. It's technically a gas station, but it's so much more than a gas station. So today I think I bought the Halloween one and the Christmas one because they were bringing out Christmas stuff. And then I've said before that I want to take Sunny to a Piggly Wiggly, and we finally went. And then I was so sad they did not sell t-shirts. They only had like the plushie, and I really, really wanted to get some t-shirts. So I don't know if there's any here in Nashville. I'm going to have to look that up and see, because we'll definitely stop by. But I did grab the little flyer for him, so we got that one. So we did go eat at Cracker Barrel, and they had these really cute salt and pepper shakers. They were only $1. Did it say on here? So yeah, I got 2 of those. So stinking cute. And I did stop off at Hobby Lobby, and I don't remember if my store had this like vintage sticker, so I thought that was really cute. I grabbed that one. And then I don't remember seeing these either. So they're like little Legos, and I got 1 of each, and they were only $1.50. So I got the snowman, the Christmas tree. Look at Rudolph. He's so cute. I also got a Santa. So I'm going to put those together. I love putting those together. Sunny Boy used to love putting them together. I'll see if he wants to help me out. And then some of these like little gingerbread houses. I couldn't remember if I had these or not. Again, me panic buying. Oh my gosh, when you go to Buc-ee's, you need to get the beaver nuggets. They are absolutely delicious. So we always get a bag of these and then take one home to my brother. And then we also found, I think this was from Cracker Barrel, like the little game to like connect the dots and try to make the squares. So I thought that was really fun, and it was like really affordable too. How much was this? $1.99. So I got that for me and Sunny to go ahead and play with on the plane. Let's see, here's our Ollie's buy from today. So my mom got this book to read. I got this coloring book. It was only 89 cents. My mom bought this one for $4. And then see, this was my repeat buy, like a big old dork. I knew I had it, but I just panicked about it. So I'm going to pass that one along to my mom so she could have her own. So we had to leave our poor puppy behind, but we actually found that they are actually pretty pet friendly around here. So I don't know, we might have to bring him next time. And then when we went to Dollywood, she actually has a kennel there. So I think we might bring him next time, but we got him a little sweater from Buc-ee's. And then you have to get their chapstick. I'm obsessed with this. I always stock up when we go, so I have more than enough for the whole year, and they're only $1. And then I get the one with the SPF in it. It's the red one. The yellow one doesn't have it. So love those. And then just because I thought it was funny, I got Band-Aids. And then my mom ended up getting a pack for my brother. My one nephew used to be obsessed with Band-Aids, and I used to have to hide them from him because he would just wear them like if they were like a patch or something. It was really weird. He was funny. The other thing you have to get from Buc-ee's is their fudge. It's absolutely delicious. I got a caramel one for us. And then this was new. I don't remember seeing this before. Like I said, Sunny Boy loves any kind of like scented markers. So he found some Bucky's markers. And then these are actually coffee scented. So he got those. And then you can actually like smell through this little slot. And it did smell like coffee. And then these are pens. And then here is the Christmas coloring book that I got for myself. And then again, like, here is my repeat buy that I'm gonna have to pass over to my mom so she could have her own. So I did end up with an extra Halloween one. When we went to Dollywood, they sold like bags of dirt that you can like mine sift through. So Sunny Boy and I did this, and it took so long. We got a medium-sized bag, and I was like, oh my god, never again are we getting this size bag. It took a really long time to like sift through everything, but it was really fun. It was a good memory to have. And then I saved my wrapper from, what was this, a pretzel, and the pretzel is actually shaped like a butterfly, so that was really cute. So at that gem place, they had this little pig. So, of course, Sunny Boy had to get that one. And then all of their bags was really cute. It all said Dollywood on there. So, of course, I'm going to save that. So, Dollywood was on my bucket list. And since I turned 40, I did like a whole birthday year to myself. So, we went to Dollywood because she was also celebrating her 40th anniversary. So, I had to get a sticker. And then we went, and it's so cute. They have all Halloween stuff. So there actually is like a mountain like this of pumpkins that lights up. It's really, really cute, really fun. So I grabbed that t-shirt for myself. And then I did buy the photos, which reminds me I need to figure out how to download my photos. So here is our photo that we took. And then they did put in this cute little frame. I also bought the popcorn bucket from Dollywood, which was really cute. We did buy the cup, but I'm going to leave that as not as cute as everything else. So I'm going to just leave that behind and not put it in my suitcase. And then when we were up in the Smoky Mountains, oh my gosh, there's so much to do over there. I didn't realize how much there is to do over there. So there's a bunch of shirts. Or a bunch of stores that are like $10 and under. So at the $10 and under store, I ended up buying 3 t-shirts for $10. And then whatever tax was, so like $11. So I got one for me, my mom, and Sunny. Such a great souvenir. So affordable. Like I said, $10 for 3 shirts. I was so excited with that. And then I also got the Dolly 40th anniversary tote bag. Oh, and we bought lipstick. Let me show you guys that. Look at her lipstick. It's gorgeous. My mom already has one in her purse. We tried one on. So absolutely beautiful. And there was one store that says it was exclusive to that store. And then you push the top and look, it pops out. I'm like, so stinking cute. I love it. So we ended up with 3 of her lipsticks. I don't remember how many there were in total. So we bought 3 of them. And then again, I have to get a magnet everywhere I go. So of course I got that one. And then I wanted a blue butterfly pen. My mom wanted the purple one. And then I got Sunny a little green guitar. If you guys, I'm back on Ollie's. If you guys saw my other video where I bought these but in a cherry, they were so delicious. So my mom ended up grabbing the lemon one. So we're going to try that one. And then I found 1 single gold marker. So Sunny Boy already claimed that one. And the marker was $1. The sticker was $1. I thought that was really cute since we're here and we got to see like all the leaves changing. I thought that would be perfect for scrapbooking our trip here. And then this one I got because in the glasses it says best day ever. And that is just like our whole saying for everything. Anytime I find anything that says best day ever, I have to buy it. And then with our coffee and our pretzels, I'm like, of course I needed those. And I was able to find only 2, but look at these are Winnie the Pooh, like the classic Winnie the Pooh. So I had to grab those. Those were only $1 each. Oh, like my new cross bracelet I got at Dollywood also. It's one of those like permanent ones where it's just on the jump ring and then they like solder it closed. So my blue one is from Alaska and then my cross one is now from Dollywood. And I found some foodie stickers. Those were only $1, so I got those as well. And see, a lot of their books come like with the packaging and with the crayons. So I've been leaving those in each hotel as I've been like unpacking, putting things away. So this was a Halloween Star Wars book. I thought that was so cool. So that was $1.50 for that one. This one was 89 cents. So I got that. And here's another one that was also 89 cents. And then this one was really nice. It's a Coca-Cola one. Now, I remember seeing this, I think last year at Dollar General for like $5. So for $2, I definitely had to grab that. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this book too. This one was expensive, $7. But it was just so me. Like, look at the stickers in here. Oh, I love it. Every time we go on vacation, I always go to a church. Oh, that was the other thing. At Dollywood on Sundays, they have service because she has a church there. I thought that was really, really nice. Also, we happen to be there on Sunday. So, yeah, every vacation we go on, I always stop off at a church. It doesn't matter, like, what religion. I always just want to go and, like, look. I just think all churches are beautiful. So, I grabbed that book. And I think that's it, you guys. So that's everything that I bought on this vacation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.